Solo ads for affiliate marketing. Guys, give me the next 10 minutes and I'm going to share with you some things that I discovered with solo ads. Guys, just give me 10 minutes and stay tuned for the training. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, let's just go into the training. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about solo ads and the pricing and kind of how this new technique that I come up with kind of makes a difference. Okay, let's just look at these few prices. Okay, this is Udimi that I use for to get solo ads, and you don't get me wrong, this method don't take away from this plan here. This is a good place to get leads and everything. So let's just take a look at this. All right, you got 44, 43, 45, 49 cents a click. Okay, now let's just do a calculation to really get something out of it. Let's just go with 200 clicks. Okay, let's go 200 clicks times 45. All right, that right there will cost you $90. Okay, now let's cancel that. Let's get those 200 clicks. And I've been getting an average of 40% opt-in rate. Okay, so at 200, that means you get 80 leads. Okay, all right, let's go a little bit further. Let's go 300 times 45 cents. Okay, that's $135, guys. All right, now for those 300, and let's just go with a 40% opt-in rate. Okay, that means you getting 120. Okay, and sometimes it's not that I've getting low. Sometimes I get lower than this. Sometimes I get 38, 36. So we're gonna go a little bit higher. Let's go 500 times 45. You pay $225 for that. All right. All right, let's go 500 then times your 40% opt-in. Okay. Okay, you get 200 leads and you pay $225. Okay. All right, now let's just talk about here, guys. Let's just talk about traffic domination, guys. What I want to show you here is you can get that same opportunity for much lower price. All right. Right here, you can get leads coming in that they go out and get. And these leads are people who are looking for opportunities, guys. These people who are looking for affiliate opportunities. All right. Right here, 99. Let's go ahead and calculate it. All right. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's just do it like this. Okay, here it is. We got 99.0 divided by 150. Guys, you see that? That is 66% opt-in rate in that rate that you're doing it this way. Now, let me explain this to you. This is not saying that you don't get a deal all the time when it comes to leads here. These are the new place, the two new places that not new places, but these are two places that I go. But let me tell you what all you get with traffic domination. All right. When you get those leads, you get a lot of things that go along with it, guys. You get, first of all, training. Let's click on it. Look at all of the training you get when it comes to affiliate marketing. Guys, I mean, you wouldn't have the time to create these many videos, guys. Look at there. All of this, the teaching you how to market affiliate products, guys. You just wouldn't have the time to do this, guys. And the best of all of this, all of it is free. All of this, joining this system is free. But to get the leads, you have to pay to get the leads. Okay. I'm not even finished yet. Look at the products that they have. They have products that you can sell to these affiliates to make money right here, guys, right here at your feet. Or you can use your own products. So that's fine. And another thing, I want to show you this. See this network right here? This is a network, guys. If you are a part of the traffic domination system, most traffic networks with CPA offers and things of that nature will not let you in unless you get a substantial amount of traffic to your system. You can even get in this system, and when you join this system, you can send out a campaign for pay for leads, man. You can make money just getting leads, guys, just getting a lead for somebody. So this comes into this training, guys, that you can get for this measly little price. So not trying to take anything away from this opportunity right here. Not trying to do that, guys. But what I'm trying to explain to you is you can get all of this done for one price, guys. One little measly. Whereas you come in here and you can get these leads if you want to. That is fine. But you have to have an affiliate product to go along with it. So I'm just going to show you what has been happening to me. I just want to do this video training on solo ads for affiliate marketing, and you can get quality leads right here with the over a 60%, sometimes 70% opt-in rate, guys. Guys, I hope this training was helpful to you. I hope you decide to come on in, but at the end of this video, I would like you to like it and subscribe to my channel. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the inside.